once ube trigger sa red alert no. Na say uma wedi bra, I can tell you say Miyama ebetima koye. Am yensa kanu as early as possible. But say anya de sa ni ejeja no. So anu wasi say. Look, ade e basa obi bokro no okrom ha. Men jiripa no. Se obi ko obi afuom ekoko bi ade a mo ma no kwan tamo no pe no omra we ye ayi say oh misunderstanding bi na brani en settle yesusu say wabo man no kro no na ye dele we sa kro no semu isusu a eno na fe de ba be romance o Ghana ni bia say oh Chrono koso yes stop corruption and in the eka na ye fight corruption so a man for so omo ntiase yadi bia me de I can say kwan bia president befa so oni the team ama Ken Ofori-Atta aba be dru ha say within 1 week as so from February ana wato so sa ni ne kai kam now OSP ka say am say match no no was okay what dey me bound or say e man up to May ending or no atro you no atro and OSP say okay May ending for the 2 days are come until on the 2nd June of person no what transia 6 days to the time now for us have a letter but say me person me zoom. Yeah. He's crazy. He's crazy. Zoom session. Oh, you're crazy. Hey, now, says I will cry the person body and I just say, Ghana, Sabi, ya Jimmy. This is the man who has destroyed businesses, including the owner of this year, can I say, station here to see. And ni brand time would the go a month for you man. Just say many will hear the same argument to make good the name media apostle. Share, I'm no way niggas so. Nipa. And then anybody a meal. Yeah. And then I won't mean now, man. And then I won't Johnny. But near yet allegedly say. Or more bomb who go baby or more to more dances or more dying up make or more face in the Kaikaho. It's almost got a check on the more until the kingdom come. Once that Omuloyet in the Toronto, what's it? Or a corner walk on a dear. A year, where the member no use you know. Or you sue Pepper Joanna, oh, you sue where the be. What's it just at the Muda? Just at him indefinitely. I know you see it. So on the channel. Would him down beba. Let us say, on they say yes to bebano. Oh, Magana. Ah, that day, yeah, serious, Anna. See, serious as a country, I can bring up a country, a branch, get pinaba, Ghana, da. So, but I say, yet they, Yama, dear. Na ebasa wo anya akwanya enne eti aban mu wo anya akwanya eye bibi edi aboa oman Ghana no obi se de ne besi o ga se oh after all wo wi akra na se wo ye ya enya de a obi abetima ya ohwe eba na anya akwanya etwa ayi efra rupre kokodura brochi a eno ano no we should not entertain that enu ti na me ka se omo ayado omo ye complain Rambo star no me sasta ya omo friend Rambo yi senka ne advance one o hodoma nka na nka meka so omo yusu eno anaka so omo yusu because corruption should not be encouraged eti o hodom ni ababa so ya go handcuff na abafo hwe oni you see what you hodoma beka say eh enti that thing sad way na me face and yes say me careful. And no, one of the measures are ye betimi ediasi corruption ano. Na yesusu say obi adi dream. Atwe Ghana sika. e de agu botum na se ye afe na ye ne no e ba be ye se wanya e ka ne sei o kanjuma bi aje se wo de no e wiwi e wo wankoda bi. No, it should not be so. It should not be so. Look, I am the President Mahama said, or reset Ghana. So, what reset Ghana there? And you reset it well. Well, I say, oh, now, yeah, maybe you sue na, and yet, or bois, or dada. Those days, no more a company saying, no, there's no more kind. So, don't let them deceive you. Don't let them deceive you. They say, Rambo started there. Mujaya, ya be trouble, papa. Say Mujaya Rambo started. Say, oh, you should say, you know, ya tones are from bra. And what in some way your tones are free. Yeah, would you know, be a papa complaints or woodineka? Police for the tones are from. Yeah, mamma, too. Bra, nasa wa madia, no my day, no my babeto. Why are you back? Say, oh, Ghana sika bi share CTV has a debimu, ya kwaku buprunani, asisani ope or the co. I don't know your tone something. Yeah, you bet you I don't know, yeah, near book, bankaba. Oh, yeah, yet walk was shemu, by 4 or 5 days, now we shemu. Edno enebema obi tiachira obeka se sika de na gu hoyo atimi timi family sango ere enkonkoka eti Ken Ofori-Atta look what diga na wo wodim ye what diga na wo wogu Heritage Bank wodim ni padodo na yedmo Heritage Bank wogu ye ka ni sei Indum Bank wodim ni padodo na mo yedmo oh ayi Kofi Amuaben Kennedy Agyapong mu yadwuma ho aye UT Bank wo hwe Kobrado for de aye Unibank Kennedy Agyapong
Uni Credit Uni Credit Uni Bank akoniti mo de
hwe some profo ya wo mu kwotena fie nyina no for this 8 years no some of them anya adwuma ba bia anya bi madam fu bia no ye adwuma Uni Credit no ayi Kwabena Agyarko domi tese me ko bie ayi wo hodum a no na 900 na yi mam the bra bank no go ye lady tese wo jira no ho so wo du se wo ye okay no afi na baba to adefofo me tiri nkampo ache ama nkrofo bi anya depression ebia famu ogu all because of one person yengu amanfo banks na me nkwa me bank enjina ho sao ka se Akufo Addo se wa bie bank bi a friend development bank awai President Mahama mo hwehwem yes development bank na ya bie no ye ma obi ango bi account wo na eye mo hwehwem wo de ma draw my attention ma draw my attention
okay
mo hwehwem
ma ti asem na se
mo hwehwem o development bank no yes I establish no mo hwehwem se e wo he mo ko books no mo na mo hwe se sika se ne fa ho epie free he e ne ko he mo hwehwem me de me maka ne meti maka ba wie
okay all right
ba wie Ken Ofori-Atta na you see me do anu mani zibo he said that being mo ready the year na mo hu se guy no o e tactical adwuma no be ye
me me nyi ni mo
dabi mo
me ne na nya trust issues
dabi
o trust no
Kwesi Agyapong obeya adwuma no brutal let me tell you dabi let me tell you one thing. There was a time a bra was clear President Mahama said Airbus in Sensemu onimu hwehwe Do you know what happened? Beka, me say bia otchere any debate. I am saying it. One day, Adwumra wapon a wo kofi. Yeah. Ni tinye ye ne say na nadamfo bi amano bulletproof car. And we use that day. I just anga kisa jamenta omu kun. Cross range. So no one yi. Driver the dim say ya pay. The ye said na ye bulletproof car. Adi chi aneja. What if free mu? Ano ko pe baby home kakra ansa wo ba. Aban yi a wa ban. Wa man freedom. O mo bi nkotutu mo no. Me say obey adwuma no. That time one year wo ka say yi pe. One who say nka mo kwakọ body to okunu. I can tell you say let us trust that man. He's going to deliver.
All right, Richard.
Abaya. Na minim say the honorable special prosecutor Kisi Agyapong was selected no Strategic Mobilization Ghana Limited Omoni Ghana Revenue Authority oil sector ne ye metals and so that particular deals no any say National Cathedral $58 million say Ghana you sika and obia fa $58 million and odia kutu amana wan fanya share anka den obiye so we NPP ni outifie even President Akufo Addo and Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia Matthew Poku Pempe Krampo no me sure say ade a omo share ye course no ene omo betena chire no omo yam be hihye omo say a whooping $58 million ye de to amna kwa Gyamfi anya hwe. Apart from that, procurement of ambulance. Say na ye to ambulance ni nyina no. Na ye wonchendi procurement breaches. So sourcing, single sourcing. Okoma a contract of that nature over 300 and something ambulance. Okakota, osi only one company. Sa company no krampo no. Investigations, any the facts available. Bibia chere say na sa company krampo ye register empo no in this 6 months obinka say company ni in this 6 months it doesn't have the capacity to contract but does it have the human resource to contract ana you go hwe mu kra na adwuma for company no en petupe en e for ambulance service nin ni toni nyina na de ko share sa ankofo so sourcing papa we oda TV sui wono na di say wudie no edit say o man Ghana Finance Minister onim papa we me hunu bia na me mahye me hunu se ayobia bone ewu ni trim papa we be di Ghana so onim se indigenous bank papa we hwe e collapse ni nyina se na ho UT bank any former Jane bank Dr. Kwaku Annan ohu ni tiri hu a wan hwa obedwane papa we na ye sena ni nyina no ohu ni tiriwa ohu pa kwasi ni tiriwa ubedwana ko achi ni tiriwa ye white why no luman sena ni nyina na ye cancer ana ba ni tirim entina na odidi sa wudie no na kenye sa niama decisions are take ye a odi 25 million Ghana cedis ayese odi koye banking sector clean up no se na nye problem ne woni tirima and confront this ewudie no confront taking such decisions Emma local microfinance savings and loans companies obe guni nyina over 148 this man did that now on my way contract e be sign international biano this man called Ken Ofori-Atta na the bank and an insurance company and the third party company and now take care of bonds this man called Ken Ofori-Atta and think say Anka Ghana, if not because of democracy, Anka someone like Ken Ofori-Atta no, e see yan kwa chini ne ya ba bi ofri bia ne mfa ne den. Embra. Nanka Ghana fo bi hu na ba be tu because he deserve lashes. And sana kura nanka ye de ne bekwa ko gina emra no krampo a ye did not go no because decisions are o take any no it was very bad. Entime enya me nwanwa say the special prosecutor Kisi Agyapong ne ni abri say papa we ye niam ho sem nti obe make sure say obetwena ba no aba account. Yes, he who call for equity must come with clean hands. It is a Ken Ofori-Atta of Susu amount for the bonnet or banking sector. Na say na wabe finance minister. Na say yeah, for say come and account for what you did that when you were in office. Why are you running away from accountability? If you think say nyama oye ni nyina no oye nyama pa. Why is Ken Ofori-Atta running away from accountability? I'm asking this question. And the lawyer no dey your friend is saying Frank Davis and my friend saying Anna me tie lawyer for me bo lawyer for pa na enra o tie papa we wo radio so ni TV stations ni bia e na odwen won tie ase papa we akodi dream die sei esam skaki toa bia odi tua o kanti no na o keka de ope e che Ghana for me sure say Ghana ni bia o hwe me anopani bofu because of nyama boni a Ken Ofori-Atta eyeye onim say in the history of Ghana Ken Ofori-Atta ni pa obey finance minister ono ani members of parliament under the party omo ye say anka this man President Akufo Addo should take him away from the office as a minister of finance. Nanso esan say no Akufo Addo ne cars intino President Akufo Addo entie MPs no ema NPP MPs omo ankasa ankomu stay cool ene from ne no mko tena se munja na sa na wase ne mawie esan say no mu hu se enyema na Ken Ofori-Atta eye ne nya no na eboman of $1 every 4 Ghana cedis 3.8 at a point not cedi to dollar was 17.9. Sani mana no ye ni nyina no no dey sign contract we chire na o di jiba kick e di guni botom enti Ken Ofori-Atta se unim se undi boni bia we are begging you say bra na be accountability e che Ghana for because yen tena Ghana ha sei emanipa baako ene nkofo bi enkosensan kata bi en Jessica ngomboto mumwi a no mu de akoto adan e wa brochire ye ka chom so mumbra Ghana na mba accountability am so muma na me kana me de akosi baby no ade baako e wo sa ade we ma e se Ken Ofori-Atta ye investigate about him Ghana Revenue Authority unum say ye say omo tax omo jeje tax a ye wo say obi a watua tax amana boro so ana say ye man some tax incentives ni some tax credits sa ye wo futo bi a this sense gan nyina dan ekom papa wei sa account no ye say wo de nsa aka Ken Ofori-Atta onu kwa de nsa bom into onu no sika friend say sika de ebi nso ni di we di bebia enti Ken Ofori-Atta there. I think what the special prosecutor is doing now, no, he should up his game. Me, I was having the same perception. She said they now can. Say as Agyapong is doing Ghanaians crocodile John. Sana me, I was having the same perception. Say Agyapong himself, Ken Ofori-Atta, one far medical report to be a justify say ampa me yarea and now share from February to May June ya way over there for good month and ye Jan water brochire ho e no do no oba was say me per interview hey o man ya ye wo mu me nua ba Ghana man sa in fact say be interview through online and I say any of the it is not bad but you the person we are corporate no and you know choose the kind of medium they should use to investigate you. It is not done. And so because we are okay, na se ye china no aka chen se o me kwa America ntino mo pese mo nya investigation a mo mbra America ana mo from Zoom meeting na mbe chechem obi kum nipa obetuma tran fie no a kire se me kwa me ntimi mba police station mo from phone so na de mo pa bia na me den me ncheche mu nkyerɛw ebi ni ade a Ken Ofori-Atta wo ye because 58 million Ghana cedis no si ye ka si ye hwem a chance waku nipa beten e wo Ghana ha sei enti Ken Ofori-Atta enyema boni a wedi no he should come and account for his whatever he did. He cannot choose the kind of medium the security agencies should use to investigate him. I mean him say Ken Ofori-Atta boni a odi ye no we will not leave only the special prosecutor to investigate him. I know a lot more is coming because scandals are also under his administration. No, it is not only about this 5. So Iyoko and other security investigation bodies, they should make sure say they should study this man carefully. Now under the tenor, no, and nyama ye ni no, ye hwehwem ebubo na ye cheno na say owumpo a menka so obewu. Nanso emenu do na so oni okrampo a o njapade bebre as early as possible. We should trigger and send this never tabonya den and to the companies so before it is too late for Ghanaians.
All right.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.